Amazing health benefits of sage tea. Sage tea is produced from the leaves of the sage plant, which is native to the Mediterranean region. This plant's high amounts of vitamins A, C, B, K, and E, as well as copper, fiber, calcium, iron, and magnesium, make it a popular therapeutic herb. Keep watching to learn about the amazing health benefits of sage tea. 1. Assists in the reduction of menopausal symptoms. The most well-known application of sage tea is as a menopausal regulator, particularly for hot flashes. Menopausal women who drink this tea on a daily basis have reported a significant reduction in hot flashes. It also helps to reduce mood swings and overactive bladders. 2. Detoxification of the body. Sage tea works as a natural diuretic and liver and kidney stimulant, speeding up the process of removing toxins. This tea also causes perspiration, which aids in the detoxification of the body. 3. Better diabetes management. This herbal tea decreases the body's fasting blood glucose level, which can relieve pancreatic strain. This also aids in preventing the harmful spikes and drops in glucose and insulin that diabetics must be aware of. Sage tea can be an effective prophylactic treatment for persons who do not have diabetes, but are at risk of getting it. 4. Boosts circulation. Sage tea contains high quantities of iron, which can increase circulation. The body can properly oxygenate cells and extremities with more RBCs, which improves repair and function. 5. Antioxidant properties. Sage contains a variety of antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic acids, as well as antioxidant enzymes. All of them work together to find and eliminate free radicals before they may cause oxidative stress or mutation. This can help prevent and mitigate the severity of chronic diseases and premature aging. 6. Assists in the treatment of anxiety. Although sage tea is a stimulant, it can also have calming effects on the mood and nerves, as well as improve focus and memory. Sage can also help you perform better in high-stress circumstances. 7. Helps with digestion. Sage contains antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory qualities, making it useful for soothing upset stomachs and promoting good digestion. This herb's antibacterial and antiviral properties help to balance the microbiota in the stomach, resulting in less gas, bloating, cramping, and constipation. Sage tea is actually simple to make at home, and all you need is fresh or dried sage leaves and water. If you have sage in your herb garden, just select a few leaves, wrap them in a moist cloth, and store them in the refrigerator until ready to use. Dried sage leaves can also be purchased and preserved in an airtight container in a cold, dark, and dry location. Take 2 teaspoons fresh sage leaves or 1 teaspoon dried sage leaves, add to water, simmer on high, and steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the sage leaves from the mixture by straining it, and pour the tea into your favorite cup. You can even add honey or lemon slices to add some sweetness. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.